My name is Willow, and I'm the co-founder of Ozuke, the best pickled things.
My name is Marek, and I am the COO of Ozuke.
We're a fermentation company based in Boulder, Colorado. We started this business 3 years ago, literally in our home kitchens, just brewing things up and watching things bubble away on the countertops.
Just as the recession hit, I lost my last chef job, and I was in this sort of in-between space of what am I going to do with myself.
Mara and I just started messing around in our home kitchen, playing with different recipes, holding our noses at things that were funky.
It invariably happened around a kitchen table, the conversation of, okay, well, why don't we just do this? Why don't we make something for a living?
Fermentation is a fun sort of combination of culinary delight and a little food science.
I have this great commercial kitchen setup, machines. I get to create and concoct and be the mad scientist.
And the fact that it's food and it's something that people take in is so personal and so intimate and so powerful. Sometimes we get these amazing letters from people in Ohio or somebody in LA that said, you know, I was feeling really bad and I had this and this happen and then I ate your stuff and I just started to feel better. I feel more vital, or I've started making my own stuff. And all of those things bring us a lot of joy to our hearts.